No freak that even happened, bro.
I don't even know where it is. Hold on.
Great. Keep that man in here.
Where I put the cat? Oh.
Well, like a 99 in Mississippi, that boy was crazy. Even on 2K. Now we gotta play gold plate. Out here,
wait, what I got? 6'10". Oh, this nigga's butt. Good rebound though. You saw what I sent? Yeah. I think you should go. Be about. I'm gonna take a shower right back. Yeah, y'all as in whole team. All right, buddy.
This is dumb. You can get burnt. Get range.
Nah, it look like we playing twos, bro. This shit's crazy.
She knows me. I thought this time.
Damn. I got thrown a grenade though. Wait, why they not scoring though? They low key like losing me, bro. Bro. Like, I'm a lock. I'm getting the ball every play, bro. I don't want it every play, bro. Like, I'm straight, bro. Y'all go score, bro. I play defense. My bad. It's 5 to like, bro. I don't know how to talk to you. My bad. I'm locked in on the music. Lost my patience last night. Expectation last night. I'm too good to you. I'm way too good to you.
Corner.
My bad, shooting guard. That was for you, bro.
No problem, my friend. I'm just trying to fit in.
My bad, bro.
Oh shit!
Come on, baby, how well, look. I know what
Oh
they're doing.
shit, bro! I'm weak as fuck.
Bro, I don't know what he said, bro.
Get this
I'm not
no
gonna lie.
jump shot. I'm trying to figure it out. I didn't want to force anything, my friend. So if it will be nice shoot, I pass. Just be
Yes.
simple.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This you got some respect. That's good.
Bro,
You
what?
have probably missing me cuss, so.
He said. He found me. Nah, he found me. Nah, facts. Nah, bro, this man's funny. He said, I'm just trying to blend in. I'm just trying to. Bro, I'm done, bro. Let me relax, bro. He another human like me, bro. You know what I'm saying? I got. Hey, I can't judge him, bro. I can't judge him, bro. He human just like me, bro. That's funny though, bro. Nah, that's funny, bro. That's a crazy accent though.
Hey, doing, man.
Give me that.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to fit in. I'm just trying to fit in.
That's a good foul.
Nah, bro. Don't try to fit in, bro. Who, bro? This nigga funny, bro. So none of them really hoop for real, bro. If he just trying to fit in. Good shit. Ooh, I ain't hear this song in so long. Then I had to. Okay.
You already had the juice. No, I didn't. I left it in the cup. It's a blue cup up there with the juice in it.
Late. Hey, your eyes up. Come on now.
Tell me, don't start there here. You've been missing cuts since first quarter.
Cut, bro. Something, my nigga.
Yes, sir. Come on, Ty. Get that three, nigga. Get back.
Good shot, my friend. Good shot.
Thank you, my friend.
I see you. See both? Yeah.
The start there. Ain't no meter on no putback. Ain't no meter on no putback.
What you mean ain't no reason? That reality, that really touched me though. He said, I'm just trying to fit in. Why you said that?
That made me laugh.
Why you think that touch you, bruh? You be trying to fit in on the court. You ain't gotta fit in, bruh. Be yourself, bro.
Good shot, my friend. Good shot.
Be yourself, who? You know what I mean?
I learned from the great one, Mr. Titan.
You know what I mean? You play different than other people.
Good shit.
I be trying to fit in.
Thank you, my friend.
Hey, bro. One thing in life I learned, bruh. Don't try to fit in, bruh.
Ah, fuck, I seen him
Be
too.
you, bruh. If somebody don't like how you
Go to
is,
my
bro,
man, though. Thank you.
who cares, bruh? People come and go anyway.
Good job,
You
my
don't know what
friend.
to do now.
It's a good job, my friend.
Thank you, my brother.
I feel like only go where you're accepted, you know what I mean? If it's somewhere you gotta try to get uncomfortable, try to fit in, it's like, nah. ain't no point. You know what I mean?
Oh, she gonna be so tall, man.
Like me, I'd rather go be by myself before I try to fit in, bro. Why else you think I stream 2K, bro?
Oh yeah, money ball.
Everybody else my age,
I
bro, they
stay
party in
my feet.
clubs every weekend or every other weekend.
Good
Like,
shit. Get his ass. Hey.
like nah, bro. That's cool, bro. I ain't trying to fit in with y'all, but y'all got it, bro.
I'm in the flow here. What else you want me to do?
Even though I had my little fun when you know what I'm
I'm
saying?
in the flow, HB. I'm in the flow. Who man is that?
Go Ty. Go Ty.
You gonna get canceled? That's your name. You say more stress free.
Oh, you got two.
Yeah,
This is chess.
literally, bro. Don't be trying to fit in, man. Oh,
Goodness.
My brother, we got to face
I didn't think he was gonna switch.
You need to come on. You need to come on. Struggling, man. Just struggling. I'm struggling. I can still is to begin. I'm making any sense. Come here, you're looking like trailer park trash.
Alright.
You're looking like trash out here, man.
Who?
Good defense, my friend.
Run.
Oh yeah. Good cut, nigga.
What's up, Zach?
Got your back. I got your back. I got your back.
Still out of bounds.
Oh, come
Come
on.
on, make more pairs, my friend.
Yes,
He tripping.
stupid
My
piece of shit.
He talking like Giannis?
Stupid.
Nah, Weezy,
I'm going
popular
to
now. You
retire.
reading my chats later and shit?
Stupid game.
My fault, bro. Hey,
You need to go to school.
that's the goal though. That's the goal though. But not to read your chats delayed, but you know, to get a little more popular.
Yes.
Yeah,
Good.
not. I wouldn't say popular. Let's not use popular. I don't like the word popular for some reason.
Good defense, my
Good
friend.
D.
Happy tier, not sad tier.
You
feel me though?
I might get to come
Hey.
to the real crew.
Pressing
Visit the
We
friends.
growing though. We growing. That's all that
I like
matters,
them.
bro.
I like them guys. Win, lose,
I
or
like
draw.
that game.
defense,
I like them as my
defense,
friend.
defense, 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 defense.
Yes,
I'm here.
yes.
What?
You told him
Take
like,
it out and get on
47.
again.
oh,
I get it back. I get it back.
Good shit, my friend.
I go to like.
Oh,
This stupid
that's green,
dummy.
my friend. Oh, my friend.
Late.
Shoot it down, ball.
You-
Why didn't you not drop the
Straight to
ball?
him.
Why did you not drop the ball? You're going down the stupid lane.
He looked at it and looked
Drop the
at
ball.
it, man. It
With your stupid You stupid idiot.
So scared.
Stupid idiot. Scared
was
to mess up.
Nah,
Hold on. His ass.
nah, bro. He's finding me, bro.
Oh, Zach. Sit down. Good shit.
Good D.
Get the rebound. My steal.
Good shit.
Get more known
To
online.
drop the ball.
Facts. Nah, I wouldn't call it get more known.
You should have done it.
I say we growing more supporters. There we go. We gaining more supporters.
No one's gonna
Defense, my friend. Defense, my friend.
Good D.
I got boss out. He gotta get the ball.
Why you get?
I don't know what
That's the
happened.
one. Yeah, that's the one. Gaining
He's too
supporters.
little.
Now is you dead
He's too
growing?
little.
I must have got knocked down or something.
When I
Hey,
Piece of chest.
green.
when I first
Good shot.
started watching playing, it was just me and you.
Thank my friend. Everybody.
Nah, facts, bro.
Shit right now.
It
Give me
was
that
me
shit.
and you for a
Defense,
grip, bro.
Okay, defense. D. Oh, hit me corner.
Corner.
Ah.
Too late.
Oh, screen. Come on.
Oh. Hey. Oh, my ball. Yeah, bitch ass nigga foul.
Nah,
Me.
he
I did not mean to call them out.
But, bro, I actually do read, so hold on. Now, Weezy Dad been growing when I first.
Keep playing ball.
It was just me and you for real, but now 10 people come in here per stream.
First.
You feel me? You feel me?
Oh.
He doesn't have any eyes.
Ooh.
Good stuff, my brother.
Green, my friend.
Shoot.
Ball. Oh my God! Why you ain't shoot? You scared?
So he's really scared. He's scared of it. You didn't want the blame to be on him, but you gotta understand, you gotta be fearless.
You got to be fearless. Now he trolling. Now he.
But I'm still playing the game.
It's
Nah,
okay,
he-
my friend. Good job, my friend.
Now he might be trolling actually.
He said, Chad, stop running, bro. Stop running around, you little piece of garbage. Stolen, stolen, stolen. Stolen.
Good defense, my friends.
Yes. Let's kill, let's run. Ryan, run. Corner. Yes. You got
Damn.
Yes, you
You better
got
quick.
fearless
Saw a black man
basketball.
yesterday and I recognized him. It was Weez. You really growing?
You have to shoot, bro. You don't move sometimes.
What you mean?
Hey, my
Good.
friend.
Good.
Being patient, bro. Niggas
You
just
should scream,
spamming.
my friend.
Good. What you got?
That's a green, my friend.
Yes.
That pop smoke,
Good.
it
That's all
might be,
is.
bro. Like
Stop
all
overthinking.
jokes aside, hold on. Let's listen to some Baby Smooth.
Corner.
Yes.
What you doing?
But, all right, I was playing my music. All right, there we go. We got some Baby Smooth going.
Bro, stop. They sorry all that time, bro.
What, baby? Welcome to the party, huh? That's how he sound. Baby, welcome to the party, huh?
What you ordering for?
I'm really relax. You know, all that, bro.
Like, defense, my friend.
Yes. Corner.
No, my friend got to worry about his kids. He got to worry
He's
about
got
his
lows.
kids.
He got lows.
My fault.
You can worry about kids and play game at the same time. Play game.
He said, and play game, play game.
Corner.
Oh, come on.
Try to pass that bitch, bro.
We're forcing.
I ain't try to go up with.
Come on, got back to defense, bro. Yeah.
Then you open.
Defense. Oh, shit.
Oh, right there. Ooh. Yes. There you go.
No, my
He's
friend.
hitting me, man. He's hitting me.
Hey,
I
ball,
can't do
my
nothing about him when he's hitting me. This is some bull crap. Good defense. He's hitting me, man. He's hitting me.
Hey,
I
ball,
can't do
my
nothing about him when he's hitting me. This is some bull crap. Good defense.